Ma'am, 20 minutes reached, ma'am.
Yes, definitely. But I will try to cover it. Okay, fast we will do. So what we are doing today, we are doing about Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? It is for right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? In which one angle is 90 degree, angle B it is equal to 90 degree here, or angle ABC you can say. And you know, right angle, in right angle triangle every side has particular name. Like AB, it's perpendicular, BC is base, AC is hypotenuse. So AB, it's P, B, H. So what Pythagoras theorem says, that square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of perpendicular and the base. This is Pythagoras theorem. We can write it like this: the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of perpendicular and base. Or we can say, if the Pythagoras Pythagoras property holds, if the Pythagoras property holds, P would be capital. Actually Pythagoras theorem एक नेम है, पाइथागोरस उनके नेम पर है. सो ऑलवेज वी विल यूज कैपिटल P फॉर राइटिंग पाइथागोरस. सो इफ द पाइथागोरस प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड्स, the triangle must be right angled. Note it down all things, and then we will start questions.
Ma'am, done.
Show me your work so that I can start with questions as well. Very good, very good, Ritika. Now we will do some questions. So Pythagoras theorem, it is derived by a Greek philosopher Pythagoras. That's why this theorem is also known as Pythagoras theorem. So question I am writing: for this question, determine whether the triangle whose lengths of sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter is a right angled triangle. Ritika, in right angle triangle it is, confirm that always hypotenuse will have largest length. If it is given 3, 4, 5, so which is the largest length?
Ma'am, AC. Ma'am, 5 centimeter.
5 सेंटीमीटर. इट इज़ श्योर, इट इज़ कन्फर्म. मतलब इसमें सोचना नहीं है कि 5 कौन सा होगा. If 5 is largest, then 5 definitely will be hypotenuse. And AB, BC, it 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. You can vary that. Means you can write 3 here or 3 here. But 5 would be on hypotenuse. Now you have to tell me that it is right angle triangle or not. I will help you to solve. Ritika, what is hypotenuse here?
Right angle triangle.
हाँ, ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है.
Ma'am,
इसमें
AC.
AC मीन्स, और उसका लेंथ कितना है?
5 centimeter.
5 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज परपेंडिकुलर?
Ma'am, AB.
AB, its length 3 centimeter and base it is 4 centimeter.
BC.
Okay, according to Pythagoras property or Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. So h square,
So 5 is equal to 3 plus 4, so 5 is equal to 7 centimeter.
it is h square. It means 5 square is equal to p square. It means 3 square
Plus 4 square.
plus 4 square. So what is 5 square?
Ma'am, 10.
Beta, 5 square means you are multiplying 5 2 times. It's not. Actually difference है. ये 5 times 2 नहीं है. It is 5 square. So it
Ma'am,
means,
so suppose 3 is there, so we should do 3 into 3.
yes. So 5 square, 5, 5, 25 and 3 square means 9. Okay,
9.
पहले मैं 3 3 लिख देती हूँ.
9 and 16.
16. That's very good. So 5 into 5 is
25.
25 is equal to 3 into 3,
9 and 9 plus 16.
9 plus 16. So it means 25 is equal to 9 plus 16.
Ma'am, 25.
So both are equal.
Yes.
It means it is true.
Ma'am,
Given-
that's it, ma'am. That's it.
That's it. It is Pythagoras theorem. Given triangle is right angled triangle as it holds Pythagoras property. That's it. Exercise 6.5 is also completed, but still we will do some more questions right now.
Ma'am.
Okay. In next question, triangle ABC is a right angled at C if AC is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the length of AB. Ritika, can you prepare a right angle triangle for me according to this question?
Okay, ma'am.
ABC, a right angle triangle, and right angled at C. This is the most important condition. Means if we collect the data for this equation, so it is angle C is equal to 90 degree, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 12 centimeter, and you have to find AB is equal to question mark. This is the data for the given question.
Okay.
Very good, Ritika. Now what you have to find here?
Angle AB.
Sorry?
Ma'am, angle AB. Ma'am, sorry, angle AB.
Side AB. Angle no side. And it is?
Ma'am, 12, 5. Ma'am, 5, 7.
No, beta. It is actually hypotenuse.
Ma'am, you should find the hypotenuse.
Yes. And by Pythagoras theorem.
Ma'am, how do we do that?
Okay. So here H you have to find. You have made a right angle triangle like this. Its name is ABC. Sorry. Its name is ABC. Okay. Now AC is 5 centimeter, BC 12 centimeter, and you have to find this length. H you have to find. Perpendicular is 12 centimeter and base is 5 centimeter. Okay. According to Pythagoras property, H square is equal to P square plus B square. Ritika, P square means 12 square plus 5 square. What is 12 square? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, 24.
144.
Ma'am, 24. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
We are doing 12 into 12.
Ma'am, 25. 5 into 5.
And it is 5 into 5, 25. So 144 plus 25 is equal to
189.
it's 169 and it is the square of 13. मतलब ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा कि if we are multiplying 13 two times we will get 169.
Ma'am, how did you get 13, ma'am?
When we will multiply means you have to memorize this square of some terms, like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9,
4 square is 16.
like that. तो ये थोड़ा याद रखना पड़ेगा कि 13 का स्क्वायर 169 होता है, दैट्स वाई 13 स्क्वायर, और h इज इक्वल टू 13 सेंटीमीटर. ओके रितिका, यहाँ पर हमारे कौन सी ये 3 साइड्स आई हैं? 5, 12 and 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay with it?
Yes,
5,
ma'am.
12, 13.
AB is equal to 13.
AB is equal to 13. So these numbers 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. These numbers also known as पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. मतलब जो नंबर्स पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को और फॉलोइंग द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम आर नोन एज पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. तो अभी हमने एक ट्रिपलेट पढ़ा 5, 12, 13. बिफोर दैट वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट 3, 4 एंड 5. ओके, हैव यू रिटन दिस? आर यू राइटिंग?
I'm writing.
Writing? Okay, I'm just coming in a sec. Done, Ritika? Done? Show me your work. Very good. We will do some more questions. Actually, that's all about Pythagoras theorem, but that's not all about questions. We will do some more practice. Okay? So, are you okay with Pythagoras theorem? And now what you will say? Ritika was very excited for Pythagoras theorem. It's so simple. है ना? बस यही है पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, और कुछ भी नहीं है. You have to find the values of x, nothing else. 3 4 x. In second question, 6 8 x. In third question, 15 centimeter 8 centimeter x. So in all these three you have to find the value of x. Ritika, help me to solve first one. What you will do in first one?
Ma'am, x is equals to 3 square plus 4 square.
X square.
Yes, sir. X square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square.
Excellent.
Then 2x.
नहीं बेटा, ये x स्क्वायर ही रहेगा. इट इज ओनली x स्क्वायर.
X square is equal to 3 into 3, which is 9. 9 plus 16. X square is equals to 25.
Which is the square of number?
X. No.
5. Actually 5 square is equal to 25.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here the value of x is 5. That's all for first question. And we can say 3 4 5 are Pythagorean triplet. No need to write this, I am just only telling you. It is not asked.
Mama, I want to write it now.
Sorry?
Ma'am, can I write it? I want to.
Yeah. You write it and try to do second yourself.
Okay. Ma'am, if the answer is 100,
Very good.
so it will be 50 square.
No beta, 100 it would be
20.
10 square. When you will multiply 10 two times, you will get 100. So for second question, the value of x is 100. Very good.
Ma'am, 10. No, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am, it's 10, no, ma'am.
10. Are you okay with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Pythagoras theorem is so simple. Actually, you have to learn the square of 1 to 20. Actually, you don't have to learn. It will be automatically in your mind after doing a lot of questions. Like 10 square 10, 5 square 25.
Ma'am, I'll be back in 1 minute. Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay, no problem.
Ma'am, 288, beginning with square,
It's
289.
289. It's
Okay, sir.
17 square.
Okay, ma'am, so x is equal to 70 square.
7.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Show me your work. Tomorrow we will do some more questions related to Pythagoras theorem. ठीक है. Ritika, one more thing I just want to say. This is your final answer. X is equal to 17. अभी क्या है, in this question centimeter is written, so write down x is equal to 17 centimeter. If nothing is
Okay.
written, then no problem. So Ritika, I will continue with Pythagoras theorem tomorrow also with some more questions, but now I am giving some questions, that's for revision purpose, and after that we will start science.
Okay, ma'am.
So triangles and its property is completed. I will share the schedule on WhatsApp group. I will schedule a test of triangle and its properties.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in question number 1, Ritika, what are the 6 elements of a triangle? 6
Ma'am, elements,
एलिमेंट्स मतलब ट्राइंगल का 3 एलिमेंट्स, सॉरी 6 एलिमेंट्स, उसमें कौन कौन से होते हैं?
ma'am, right angle,
नो नो नो
acute.
नो, ये तो एक पर्टिकुलर ट्राइंगल की बात हो गई. इफ़ यू आर सेइंग राइट एंगल तो एक एंगल 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए, बट आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट जनरली इन अ ट्राइंगल देयर आर, मैं बताती हूँ. आई थिंक पर्टिकुलर दिस क्वेश्चन आई डिडंट टेल यू. 3 sides,
And 3 angles.
3 angles.
Ma'am, sides are scalene. No. Sides, ma'am, scalene triangle.
नहीं, हाँ हाँ, नहीं एक्चुअली क्या है, these are the types of triangle on the basis of sides and angles, but here that's all. I am asking only 6 elements.
Ma'am, 3 sides, 3 angles.
3
That's it.
angles, 3 sides, 3 angles.
Ma'am, but if we ask about under 3 sides, we should say perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse.
No, it is only in the case of right angle triangle, not all. So 3 sides, it depends on the name given to the triangle. It may be PQR, then PQQR, RP, like that.
But ma'am, if under angles, if we tell, we should keep acute, obtuse, and right angle.
Yeah, there are 3 types of triangle, which is according to 3 angles. I am making a triangle. If you want, you can draw on your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow again we will do triangle, as we have completed all the topics related to triangle, and maybe on Monday or Tuesday. Monday, if it is okay, then on Monday I will take the test of triangle and its property.
Ma'am, next Monday?
Monday, huh? Coming Monday?
Ma'am, I'll let you know, ma'am, because I'm back, I guess, on Monday or Tuesday.
Okay, then on Thursday. Actually 2 days मैं फिक्स्ड ही रखती हूँ टेस्ट के.
Ma'am, Thursday I'm not coming, ma'am.
Means not this Thursday, after 1 week.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to find the value of
Ma'am, already completed tomorrow, ma'am.
tomorrow. Tomorrow actually Akriti didn't join today, so I have to tell her also. Angle PRS is equal to 115 degree. Angle P is 45 degree. Then what is the value of angle Q?
Ma'am, for this, if we have to find the angle Q, so we should add 115 plus 45, then we should minus it by 180.
No, it's exterior angle.
So, ma'am, exterior angle, so we should do 115 plus plus 45 plus x is equals
Yes,
to 45 plus x.
yes, that's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, to find the
Ma'am,
value,
so the answer is 45 only, no, ma'am?
no, to find the value of x, you will write 115 minus.
Okay, ma'am, okay, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 70 degrees.
Very good. Last question for maths class, then we will start science. Okay.
Ma'am, science में as Akriti is not there, so she said light revision, no, ma'am. So can you like, finish the respiration chapter?
No problem. So, which of the following cannot be the sides of a triangle? First one, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Second, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Third one, 2.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. Fourth one, 2.3 centimeter, 6.4 centimeter and 5.2 centimeter.
Ma'am, is this homework?
नहीं भाई, you have to do right now. So 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. ये पूछा है which of the following can not be the sides. Yesterday I think, yesterday or the day before yesterday I told you 3 plus 4 it is
7.
and 7 is greater than
5.
So these are the sides of
Ma'am,
triangle.
I remember, ma'am. So, 6 and the second one is 6 and 6. So, it cannot be.
Very good.
The third one, 2.5 and 3.5. So, it becomes five, 6, 6, 6 greater. So, it can be, ma'am. And fourth, may it cannot be, ma'am. Yes, so it can be. It
It
can, it
can
can.
be, it can be. Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay,
over, ma'am.
hmm. Ritika, now we will start science.
Ma'am, can we take 2 minutes break,
Okay,
ma'am?
definitely.
Ma'am, I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Okay.